Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Florida Sales Tax portal. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Florida Sales Tax Login. Then go to Florida Department of Revenue Sales and Use Tax application. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your user ID. Then enter your password. Then press Login. Then you should be able to access your Florida Sales Tax portal. If you have forgot your user ID or password, you can get help by clicking here. You can either use your user ID and password, or you can use a certificate and business partner number. To log in with your certificate number and business partner number, enter your certificate number here. Then your business partner number. Then press Login. Then you should be able to access your Florida Sales Tax login portal. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.